Everyone, rise and shine. So today I've come up with one of the very common common query that you must be also wondering. My learners keep wondering that, ma'am, we do translation. Rather straight go to the topic. Whenever they are going for the performance, they have to speak, communicate, they have to go for ice-breaking questions, answers, they have to take an initiative of any conversation. They just go with translation. So they have come to me that, ma'am, how can we resolve this naughty issue? I'm telling here naughty. It's not Naughty. It is Knowty. Naughty means something very difficult, which is difficult to resolve. So let's talk about it, that how can we stop doing translation? So this is natural when you are in the beginning stage, when you are learning any language from scratch. Then what comes in your mind that let's go with this the way we speak our mother tongue. So if someone is saying you something, so what comes in the mind that, oh, if she's asking to that, where are you going? So what comes in the mind? First Hindi comes in the mind. So I would tell you that stop using translation. Just approach English sentence only. Let it be wrong. Don't get scared. Don't have butterfly in the stomach that what other would think, how I will be judged. Actually, the biggest problem, the shortcoming with us is that we start thinking that how I will be taken. People are gonna judge me. Just forget it. You are learning. You are learning language. Nobody is the master of any language. Everyone is learning. Even despite being mentor, I keep learning. I keep enhancing, enriching myself. Be it grammar or whatever. Like it's not our first language, it is our second language. So what needs to be done? Stop translating. Give a shot. Give a shot of direct approach. And how you can start this thing? Start thinking sentences and whatever is happening around you in your head. Like suppose, suppose you are listening my this video. So what is coming in your mind? Ma'am, this is really helpful for us. I was also wondering the same thing. And I'll be going to means whatever is happening around you, start framing the sentence in English. Again, I'm repeating to you. Just let it be wrong. It's okay. One, once, like twice, thrice. Let it be happen. After 1 week, 2 week, you would be finding that you are not actually translating. You are approaching. Like as you can see the here, there is written, people are so careless in such time that road accidents are one of the biggest thing. So how we translate generally, it is written in a very good language. Here it is written, people are so careless. And how we translate, people are doing carelessness. Sometimes we do like this कि लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक लापरवाही कर रहे हैं इन दिनों. तो जैसा हम हिंदी बोलते हैं ना, हम उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वी शुड अवॉइड दैट. वी शुडंट डू दैट. एवरी हिंदी सेंटेंस is not translated. If you're gonna do that, you're gonna do a lot of blunders. It is really a severe, you will be finding a grammatical mistakes. Never go for the translation. So first start thinking in your head the things happening around you. Second, go for a situational sentences. Situational English. Like tomorrow, suppose you have to go for presentation or you are going for school, any kind of debate, just go practice in front of the mirror. Start doing mirror practice. Tomorrow is my this session. Like this para is there, you can speak out. People are careless, there's such kind of road accident. Means do practice rather doing the translation. So one thing I told you, that stop translating. Start framing the sentence in your head. Second, just go for a situational part. Even the paragraph I've given you now in this video, just take this one and read out that how the accidents are done, and figure out the word. And if you read this whole paragraph, you will be finding that there is no such translation. There are beautiful lines are there. There was a loud blare of horn. See, it is not translation. Second thing, you can see that the car was not moving very fast. This is the translation. Some of the sentences we have to do translation, that is okay. But every single sentence, if you're translating, it will be a very monotonous English, and you won't be enjoy, other won't be enjoy. And here you can see that one more sentence I want to mention here. Fortunately, see, you have used one beautiful expression. So add like this. So I hope you're gonna follow what advice I've given to you. Stop translating, add a flavor of approach, okay? Think in English rather translating. And it is a practice. If you keep doing for 1 week, if you keep thinking in English, I really bet you, and I must say, you're gonna see the drastic changes.